please take this opportunity since you are all here and discuss over the matter, bearing in mind that these are institutions of state that are working together all the time. It would be most advisable if you could resolve this matter amicably so that we don't have to make orders from the court. That would be my advice, which you, I don't want to say which you don't have to take, but that would be the best way.
The court has sounded the urgency of the matter, as has been sounded by the Council of Governors and other related parties. So at this point, we don't want to say much because we've put the matter to judiciary. I don't want to comment at this point. We are just from court, so we have not digested that part. But I mean, that was a suggestion, and he said you can take it all or leave it. So we are at that point.